Have you ever wondered why the day suddenly turns into night, even if only momentarily, during a solar eclipse? Today, we delve into the celestial mechanics of this awe-inspiring phenomenon. A solar eclipse is a celestial event that occurs when the moon's path crosses between the sun and Earth, causing the sun's light to be temporarily blocked. This event, while it may seem magical, is purely a result of the predictable and precise movements of our solar system's celestial bodies. The journey to a solar eclipse begins with the moon's orbit. The moon orbits the Earth roughly once every month, but it doesn't follow a perfect circle. Instead, its path is slightly tilted. This tilt means that most of the time, the moon passes just above or below the line between the Earth and sun. But approximately twice a year, everything lines up just right, and we get an eclipse. As the moon continues along its path and moves directly in front of the sun, the first phase of the solar eclipse, known as the partial phase, begins. This is when the moon starts to cover the sun's disk. A small bite appears to be taken out of the sun, and it grows larger as the moon moves further along its path. The next phase is the one that leaves viewers in awe, totality. This is when the moon completely covers the sun's disk. For a few precious minutes, day turns into night, stars may become visible, and the sun's outer atmosphere, or corona, can be seen. This is the peak of the solar eclipse and is considered one of the most spectacular sights in nature. After totality, the moon continues on its orbit and the sun begins to reappear. This is the final phase, the ending of the solar eclipse. The process is the same as before, but in reverse. The sun's disk becomes more and more visible until the moon is no longer blocking any part of it. In summary, a solar eclipse is a rare and beautiful event that occurs when the moon's path crosses between the Earth and the sun, causing a temporary blockage of the sun's light. It begins with a partial phase, where the moon starts to cover the sun's disk. Then comes totality, where the moon completely covers the disk, and finally the ending phase, where the sun reappears as the moon continues its orbit. It's fascinating to think that these celestial events are a result of the precise and predictable movements of our solar system's bodies. So, the next time you witness a solar eclipse, remember the incredible cosmic ballet that's taking place and the intricate dance of the sun, moon, and Earth that makes it all possible.